Imagine a kid threading a necklace, one letter bead at a time, onto a string. They slide on an H, then an E, then two L beads, then an O, and now the line of beads spells a word. The beads sit in a fixed order, and the third bead is always the third bead. You can point right to it. If they want to spell a different word, they do not pry beads off the line. They thread a whole new necklace instead. That little line of beads is exactly how a computer holds text. We call it a string, and the rule is simple. It is just characters in a fixed order that you do not change in place. A string is a line of characters kept in a fixed order, just like beads on a thread. Each character has a position, starting at 0 for the first one. You can point to any single character by its position number. You can read the whole line or just peek at one bead without disturbing the rest. But a string is immutable, meaning you cannot swap a bead while it is on the thread. To get different text, you build a brand new string instead. We make a string by threading letters between quotes. Each letter sits at a position starting from 0. We can point to the bead at position 1 as well. The length tells us how many beads are on the thread. A string is immutable, so swapping one bead in place fails. Instead, we thread a brand new necklace for new text. The new string holds the fresh word we built. A string is just characters strung in a fixed order, each with its own position, and you never change one in place. When you need different text, you thread a whole new string. You already use this every time you type a name into a login box. That name is a string of letter beads, in order, exactly as you typed it. That was day 8 of 100. Subscribe to follow the whole series. If that made strings explained with a letter bead necklace, click subscribe. I post a new one of these every single day. Subscribe to Tech with Joel.